Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and like the video, I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I'm also going to do the installation, and this is of a case, and these are for the Microsoft Surface Go tablet, like the PCs, the Go. And I just want to show really quick how the case looks like. So that's everything from the box. You get it out of the way. And this is the case itself. So I'm going to read the instructions, and it's hard plastic, see-through. And this is of an INFILAND, I believe that's how it's pronounced. There it is right there. I'll put the link. I got it on Amazon in case you're interested. And I'm going to show basically how to install this on the Microsoft Surface Go tablet. So let me go ahead and bring that and read the instructions to see how it gets done. Okay, so here's the case as it is outside, and you can see these little tabs here. You grab them and basically pull this off to have the pure plastic look through. Just put that on the floor for now. Okay. So now that these two are off, let me see if I can do this correctly. You get the camera, which is on the top here, and you slide it in, popping it in on both sides. So you can see here, it's already flush with the tablet. And you take these off as well. I'll do it later. But here you can see that it has the side on. I guess this would be to take off the tablet. You can see the buttons, the charging port, which is here, and the connections here. And on this top, it has for the pen, if you do have the pen for the Surface tablet as well. So it's it right here, and you can see how it's protected all throughout, and it leaves for the kickstand. I guess this is where the kickstand, that's what I have this on here for. So when you put on the kickstand, it'll be with the case as well. So let me know what you think about the video. If you have any questions about the tablet and everything, as far as the charging port, it does say to kind of maneuver it in to charge. I'm gonna see what they're talking about, but it should be okay. So let me know what you think about the video. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up as well. I really appreciate it. Okay, so thank you very much.